back, it's Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Everybody's doing well. A little bit before 3 p.m. Altcoin Tuesday. Listen, I'm going to talk about something really quickly. If you were in our Discord, you're starting to see a lot of alerts coming up about the changes being made in January of 2022 in terms of the group, in terms of the premium, in terms of one of the Discords going away, and really sticking and concentrating on a premium Discord to really provide as much content and premium level content for traders. Whether you're trading on spot or leverage, it's fine. There will be a mixture of that, as well as what we're going to talk about right now in terms of the portfolios coming out. If you've caught some of the videos on YouTube, I've not placed most of the portfolio videos up on YouTube because YouTube is obviously a public space. And people cannot subscribe to your channel and watch your videos and all that. But it's got it basically is a portfolio management videos that show you the allocations, almost like a mutual fund of specific crypto assets in a particular niche. Like, for example, we're going to talk about was NFTs. NFTs going into 2022, that would be its separate portfolio. Now, one of the actual ways that you can tap into this on your own, in terms of the same way those of us who trade stocks can buy index funds. There are in 2022, there are going to be a lot more of this coming now that, especially in the U.S., now that the SEC seems to have a little bit of flavor for, ETFs, EFTs, however you want to look at them, baskets, just like mutual funds, indexes, like they do in technology, but for crypto. Okay, what does that mean to you? Well, it means that you don't necessarily have to invest in individual NFTs, for example. Same with DeFi. You don't have to invest in individual NFTs. You can invest in an index of NFTs. So they've done a lot of the research for you, right? Same as mutual funds with stocks. You can invest in an internet index fund, a technology index fund, right? All across the board, any of developing countries funds. You can do any of that stuff, right? So here, MVI, Metaverse Index, is what it is. Now, what you have to understand is, now with Facebook changing its name to Meta, okay, that springboarded all of the attention to Metaverse, which has catapulted almost all of the assets that are in this index are higher, okay, in the NFT space. It drew a lot of attention, a lot of buzz, a lot of media because it's Facebook onto that area. And then you saw an explosion in the valuations for a lot of the NFTs. Some of them have gotten way, way out of control, like Xmon today up over 33,000. The thing was less than 700 4 months ago. So from $700 to 33,000 kind of mirrors what happened to Yearn Finance, right? Or YFI and DeFi. Things just move that quickly. And then things will obviously come down. YFI, I think, is trading around 22,000 now. It got as high as 90,000, I think, this year. But that's how it works. So an index fund kind of will balance out not only your risk in terms of trying to pick the right one. We got fortunate in our group. We got in Axie Infinity very early. Smooth potion, lotion potion kind of deal. Early. That one did not perform as well longer term. It did in the short term. Longer term, your love potion is kind of not done like what Axis has done, even though they both were together for a certain period of time in terms of what you could use in terms of the gaming aspect of Axie Infinity. So you got to, an index funds allows you to kind of leverage that, and which is good. MVI, if you look at this really quickly, MVI, look at where it was the 30-day chart. And I'm on CoinGecko, by the way. It's a public, it's free service. You can regular website, hit it up. CoinMarketCap's another one. Hit that up. I mean, in terms of free services that you can use. But check this out. In 30 days, it was as high as 300, back right Thanksgiving, 345, 350. Okay. But because of the flash crash last week, right, which took everything down. So all of the NFTs in this particular index, which is done by Index Corp, this particular index for Metaverse, MVI, came down. So you got to think about that in terms of, the NFTs that are inside it. Okay. And some of those we have in our NFT portfolio, but this is another opportunity that opens you up. You can grab this on Uniswap. I encourage you to take a look at it and the other new index funds that are coming out for crypto for 2022.